Hi everyone, it's Daryl here with another video to let you know about the MintBird software launch that is happening in just a few weeks. Okay, when it comes to digital marketing funnel software, here's just a few of the applications that this software can do and why MintBird is the best solution. It's library based, it's simple to use. In fact, this platform allows you to set up all of your products, your scripts, and even delivery ahead of time. This is the only cart builder that lets you drop in complete upsells and downsells into your funnels. It has beautiful templates, and there are over 60 integrations that have been added to MintBird, with more to come. And they have even developed a mobile app that is very easy, friendly, and extremely powerful to use. As well, don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up for your notification, as well as access 3 free MintBird bonuses. Just click the link in the description of this video to access your free MintBird bonuses. Once again, to access your free MintBird bonuses, just click the link below.